Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, August the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. You are interested in this one, the binary with 4 stars, binary 4 stars, number 9022. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always five ones and 5 O's. Yeah, 5 ones and 5 O's. All right, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Then between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well, and now, well, I'm stuck now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need an O. Yeah. I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. If I place number 5, the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place them, this should be the fifth O, so that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct, in 5 minutes without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it as well by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.